Okay, here's our example. It says Heather is pushing the handle of a lawnmower with the force of 450 newtons at an angle of 56 degrees with the ground. Draw a diagram that shows the resolution of the force. So you kind of see a photo, but if I just go ahead and I say I'm pushing down the handle at 450 degrees at 450 newtons at a 56 degree marking, I can say that that is vector x, my horizontal, and vector y, my vertical, and create that vector that's the 450 newtons at that angle. Okay, so we want to go ahead and solve them. If this is a right angle, we can use our basic trig functions. We know the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse in our case is 450, and our theta is 56 degrees. So we can go ahead and use sine and cosine to solve for our x and y vectors. So just starting off with sine 56 is equivalent to our opposite, which is y over hypotenuse, which is 450. Multiply both sides by 450, and then you can see that y is equivalent to, or approximately 373 newtons rounded. We rounded to the nearest whole. Okay, it's important to say the absolute value because you could get a negative number, but we're talking about a vector in newtons, and so it needs to be positive because we've got that positive hypotenuse of 450. Okay, so that's y. Cosine is going to take care of x. Cosine of 56 degrees, I need to label my degrees, is equivalent to x over 450. Multiply both sides by 450, and you get x, the absolute value of x, to be approximately 252 newtons. So you can say the horizontal component is approximately 252 newtons, and the vertical component is approximately 373 newtons. And that is it. Those are the magnitudes. So that is B. A was just the diagram, and B was the magnitudes. We just went and solved the triangle.